Influence here, and today I'm going to be talking about the Conqueror challenges. I don't know, you might have seen it on social media. Social media gets me a lot with ads. I ain't gonna lie. At least they get me interested, and I gotta research because there's too many scams out there. So when I first saw the Conqueror challenges, I thought it was a scam, so I did a lot of research. I ended up joining the challenge, and I finished the challenge 100 miles, and I got my medal. I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to open it in a minute and showcase it and all that good stuff in the regular, normal review format. But I just wanted to talk a little bit about it because maybe people saw it and didn't know what it was. So you join these challenges. They do cost money. Basically, you're paying for the medal because you can add your own miles in and all that stuff. I did it with the tracker, and it tracked my miles, and I added it in that way. I did add in some miles sometimes when my tracker wasn't working, but I didn't lie. Like, you could basically be like, oh, I did 20 miles a day. I did 20 miles a day. So there's nothing that's keeping you honest except for your own integrity. But when you get done whatever the set mileage or whatever the challenge is, then they send you a medal. And like I said, that's why I said you're basically paying for the medal, because I think it was $35 or $39 to join the challenge or something. And this medal feels kind of heavy. It comes in a good box. Like I said, I'll go over it in a minute. It's cool because also, as you're going through the challenge and you meet milestones like 25 miles, you get a page from the comic book. And I do like that. I joined, I don't even know if I said it. It was the Infinity Gauntlet Challenge. The Avengers Infinity Gauntlet Challenge, and they basically went through the comic, the Infinity Gauntlet comic, not the MCU version. So I did like that because I have read the comic a long time ago, and I remember some stuff, and I remember some differences, but some of the stuff I didn't remember, and it kind of refreshed my memory on, like, it gave power sets for different individuals, different main characters, you know, like Silver Surfer and Thanos, of course. And yeah, you just went through the comic, you hit a milestone, and it opened up another panel of the comic, and it gave you a whole bunch of stuff about it. And then, you know, you went on from there, and you can see other people on the map, so you know where you're at. So it's cool if you do it properly. Like, if you count your real steps and do all that. It took me a month to do 100 miles. I don't know if that's good or bad. I walk every day, so I mean, there's that. And it actually did make me walk more because I was in a rush to get the medal. I was curious on the medal. All right, so let's just get into this.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
This is the box, the front of the box. You got the side here. It's a nice box. Kind of looks like a comic. Got all that. The Conqueror. Another side. So let's just open this up. It's taped up on both sides. I haven't opened it yet, like I said. And I think these are all the challenges. So there's 6, I believe. This is the one I got. And you have Black Panther, I believe. Wanda, Cat, Iron Man, and looks like the Hulk.
Subscribe.
I'm not sure what those challenges are. I may join those challenges. I think you get an extra medal if you get all the medals. I gotta see how much of a collectible and if this is worth the money that I paid. Like I said, this is basically, well, you gotta combine it with the extra motivation for walking. That's really what I did it for. I was curious about these medals though. So here we are opening up the medal. You got a snap-worthy achievement. The Conqueror challenges. 1 stone at a time. Oh, I guess the stones are magnetic. That's one thing I can say. I don't like that this is just in here rattling around. The stones seem to be in here rattling around. So let's see. It's really heavy. I don't know if 1 stone, if I'm supposed to have 1 stone, or if something else is supposed to be. So this is what the back looks like. Has a picture of Thanos. It's super heavy. Here's the, I don't know what you call this, but this is nice. This is nice. Like, this is a nice piece. Soon there's no directions, so you can put that on there like that. It seems to be magnetic. And then I only see one stone. I don't know if I have to collect the other stones. Maybe I did not realize that. So maybe I have to join other challenges to collect the other stones. And then you can put this on top. It's kind of dope that you got to collect the other stones, but I don't know if I knew that. Maybe I didn't read. Yeah, because there's a, oh, did I put that in the right spot? Yeah, the thumb stone. What goes on the thumb? I forget. Is it time stone? Maybe. I'm hoping the stones didn't fall out. I'm gonna have to look and see. But I mean, this is, it just depends. I think combined with the extra motivation that it gave me to walk more and end this, because it is nice. I thought this was Velcro. It might be Velcro. No, it's just sewed together. I don't want to break it. But yeah, combined with this and the feel of it, I thought it was going to be really cheap. But it's not. It's not. It's made out of all die cast. I don't know what kind of paint you call that, like where they drip the paint in. I've done that before in arts and crafts. It's almost like stained glass. Yeah, this is really nice. This isn't a bad metal. All right, so thanks for watching this. If you watched it, I'll get over with you in the next one. Peace.
Life ain't over. Life ain't over. Life ain't over. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.